Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what does a Google Play gift card do. So here we are already in Google support where we're going to discuss about your gift cards and where to buy them. So basically a Google Play gift card is a prepaid card that is redeemed when you make a purchase in the Play Store. So it's in the form of a Google Play balance and you can buy whatever with your Google Play Store balance basically. So you can get this in physical or you can get this digitally in two ways, by email or SMS or other methods, and depends on your region and availability. So there's also restrictions and limitations for this, but you want to check it out right here. We're only going to discuss about the gift card and what it does. So basically right here we are in Google Play. You can actually go ahead and try to redeem it on a movie that you want. So let's just say you want to get Afraid right here. So you want to purchase this, you can use your gift card and you can rent or buy it using the redeem option using your gift card, of course. So that depends if you're gonna get it through an SMS or through your physical card, where you can actually also purchase other apps right here, or you can look for one that's purchasable. So let's just go with Minecraft, since that is purchasable right here. So Minecraft, and right here you can buy it for around $4 or less in US. So you can install it right here. I'm going to use my phone right here, install, but of course you have to purchase this, of course. And then right here, as you can see, I'm just going to blur this out for you guys. And then here you can add your actual credit or Google Play balance in the settings, where you can actually just use your credit and then you'll be able to purchase it. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.